If you are trying to download a video in YouTube in a legit way, this video I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first thing first, you have to launch your YouTube application if you would like to download a video. Let's go ahead and play a video. Now here are some things that you should know before you download a video. Downloading a video is not free for all the videos that you see on YouTube. If you swipe into the left, you will see a download button, and if this is not visible, as you can see, the white font is not so white, it is a bit of grayish color. So if you tap onto it, you cannot download this video for free, but you can try YouTube Premium and download this video for free. Now select your quality, tap on try it for free. And once you add your payment method, you can go ahead and try it for free, and you can also download the video. But some videos are completely free to download, like this one. If you swipe into the left, tap on download, it is completely free. You can go ahead and tap on download. Now this video is being downloaded. Once done, tap on view and play the video offline as well. So thank you all for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.